Guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing my March favorites video. So it's hard to believe that March is going to be over next Sunday. It's kind of unreal, like how fast this year has already been going. But yeah, I'm putting this up a week early. I was going to do it next Sunday, but next Sunday's Easter, so I don't even know if I'm going to upload. I might just take a break. But yeah, so let's just get started. I'm going to start with the two things that I don't physically have. The first thing that I've been loving this month is Teen Wolf. I've actually just got into it. I had never watched it before this month, but one of my friends kept telling me that she really likes it, and she just finished it. What did she watch it on, like Netflix or Hulu or something? She might have it on DVD even, I don't know. But I started watching like clips of it on YouTube, and I've just really gotten into it. And yeah, so I've been loving that. And the other thing I've been loving is a YouTube channel called Beauty and the Beastons. I've been watching her channel a lot. She's a mom to 2 little boys, and what's her name? I think it's like Tiffany or something. I'm not positive though. I can't remember. And then she's actually pregnant with a little girl. So I'll leave the link to that down below. So you should go check out her channel. She is a lot more popular than me. She has like 75,000 subscribers or something. So she's still kind of a smaller YouTuber. I think that's what she has. She might have a lot more than that. I think that's what it was the last time I looked though. I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I've really been enjoying her channel. She uploads like cleaning videos and like day in the life of a stay-at-home mom, and I love her little family, her husband and her 2 little boys, and I'm excited to see like her pregnancy journey and everything. So I'll leave the link to it below. Alright, now let's get into the actual physical things I have. So the first thing I have is a cleaning product, and this is the Method All-Purpose Cleaner, and that channel I was just talking about, she uses it a lot in her cleaning videos, and she really likes the whole Method brand. I hear a lot of people talk about the Method brand, and I actually found out my Kroger sells it, but Walmart doesn't, which I don't understand, because I figured Walmart would be more likely to sell it than Kroger. But I got mine at Kroger's for like $4, I think is what it was, roughly. It was like $3.59 or $3.95 or something. And I've been loving it. It works so well, and it smells amazing. I have the fresh lavender scent. I think next time I'll try the grapefruit scent. And yeah, they have a whole bunch of products, and then you can actually get them online. So I'll link this down below for you to check out. I love it. It cleans everything so well, and it makes sure, like, I use it a lot in my kitchen, and it smells so amazing and fresh and really nice. Alright, next I have a brush, and this is the Farrah Large Angled Contour Brush in 30F, and it's the purple one. I don't know if this was limited edition or what. I got it out of an Ipsy bag. But I really have been liking this. It blends out your contour beautifully. It's so soft, but it's at the same time it's firm enough that you can really get a good contour, you know? I think I just applied some contour product. That's great. But yeah, it's so soft and so easy to use, and it puts the contour on beautifully and blends it out really nicely, and I've really been enjoying it. Alright, next is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and this is in Tan to Deep. And I know you're like, Shannon, you're really fair. Why are you using Tan to Deep? I bought this off a lady on Facebook because it was new. She got it for Christmas, but it wasn't in her shade. And so I bought it off of her just to try it. I didn't care if it was my shade or not. And it's actually not that bad because I prefer a deeper contour anyways. And I use mainly these 2 shades and this one here. I don't use these 2. I use this under my eyes usually, but I don't usually use these 2. Sometimes I do. But normally it's these 3 right here. And they blend out so well, and actually it blends out enough to where it actually blends in really nicely with my skin tone, and it's not too dark or anything, and it just looks really nice. And this is the one where you can actually take the pans out and like replace them when they get low, so if I wanted to, whenever these run out, I could always just replace them with the lighter shades. And yeah, and plus this is really good in my kit for cosmetology school, because if I have a client that is deeper skin toned than me, I have the option of using this on them so that it matches their skin tone, and I have more of a variety of products I can use. Then the next thing I have is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's not sponsored by them, and it's their Aurora Glow Kit. I got this at TJ Maxx for $25, and I've been obsessed. I've been using this shade a lot here, this Luna, and I like all the shades. I use all the shades, really. Even the like blue and green, like it'll be a casual Tuesday and I'll have blue highlighter on at school or green highlighter on. My friend Ricky's obsessed with the purple. She thinks it's really pretty, and I just love this palette in general. The shades are gorgeous. And I think it's something really fun, you know, just to add a little pop of color. I use a lot of like neutrals on my eyes, and I wear a lot of like nude lips, so this just adds a little pop of color, and it's really pretty, and the packaging is gorgeous as well, and it was a lot cheaper. So I'll try to link this one like from the TJ Maxx website if I can, or if not, I'll just link the Sephora one. And like, it's so shimmery. I love it. Like, it's so pigmented and gorgeous, and I just love it. Alright, what's next? Oh, this is the last thing. This is from Too Faced, and I got this at TJ Maxx as well. I just recently became obsessed with TJ Maxx. A lot of my friends at school, but mainly my friend Kayla, goes there a lot. And she talks about it all the time. Like, you ask her where her outfit's from, and she's like, TJ Maxx or Gabe's. She goes to Gabe's a lot too. So I was like, she got a really nice hairdryer from TJ Maxx, and I was needing one for my house. So I'm like, well, we're down this way to where it's located at where I live. And I told my grandma, I was like, can we just go look and see what they have? And so we went, and I went in, she didn't, and I found some really good stuff, and now I'm like obsessed. But I got this little lipstick, and it's from Too Faced, and it's just a sample size. And it's in the color Nude Beach. And it's really pretty. I really like it. It's like a little bit deeper than my skin tone. And it's really moisturizing. It's like a pinky nude, and it looks really nice. It's really good for every day. The only thing I will say is closer to like the 5+ hour mark, it does like dry out on your lips, and can make your lips get a little chapped and dry. But when you first apply it, in like the first 4 hours or so, it looks really beautiful on. But once you apply it again, after it starts getting like that, it's fine. So yeah, but I got that for $3.99 at TJ Maxx. And yeah, I think that's it for my favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!